Hi everyone, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you the contents of this bag, which contains another bag. So this is from Pinku Kult, and if you've seen my channel before, I have talked about Pinku Kult before. Amazing, like a cult kind of styly brand, done locally. My tattoos, this one in particular, I have lots of tattoos by the creator of this brand. So I've been after this bag for ages, and they had a 30% off, or was it 20% off? 20% off sale. So I bought the bag. I did it. So I'm going to open it up and have a look at the bag for the first time. It's exciting. So we got Hex Mortis, that's the game. I have played that on my channel briefly. This is beautiful. I've had tattoos by both of these people. That's my receipt. And then we have my bag. Oh, I'm so excited. Comes in a little dust bag. Can we talk about how cute this is? Please. Please, can we talk about it? That is so cute. It's so heavy as well, like it's heavier than I was expecting it to be. That is very well made. And then inside, oh wow, that opens so wide as well. Oh my word. Then there's all this inside. That is actually so much bigger than I was expecting it to be. Like, a lot bigger. And then you get two straps. You get a shoulder strap, which says Pinku Kult all over it. Really cute. We'll be getting a lot of use out of that one. And then you also get two shoulder straps, and they look like they can go quite long as well, because I love wearing backpacks quite long. So you can use this two different ways. So there is this here and these two down here, so you can use it as a backpack, or there's this here and this here, so you can use it as a shoulder bag. So that's incredible. I love this so much. It's so pretty. So, and there we go. So that's how you wear it as a backpack. And then the other one goes on there. Oh my god. And there's a little pocket here, another pocket here. Oh my god, it's everything I wanted it to be. That is beautiful. And it's got the little logo there as well. Love it! So yeah, that's a really short video. I just wanted to show it to you because I love it so much. And yeah, that's just beautiful. I love it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and all that good stuff. And I'll see you all in the next video. Adios.